In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make a cool looking login page like this, where you can make your first Bitcoin application. And whenever I am tapping on sign in, it will take me to this page where you can actually sign in using your phone, email or username and giving your password. And if you want to redirect to the previous page, all you have to do is click on here and this will take you to the previous page. So let's begin. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Figma, and in this video I'm going to make a login page for mobile. So I haven't actually done this, so this will be like my first one. So if I go over here, this is the previous video that we made together. So let's create a new file, and for the design, let's go to frame, and I'm gonna choose iPhone 11 Pro, this one. So that's basically it. So for the design, I'm gonna go to dribble, and here I have searched for mobile login, and currently it is showing me 10,000 plus mobile login images. So let's just see this and choose one, and I will try to replicate that design in Figma. So let's go with the easy version. So this is it. So yeah, I can just work with this one, right? So this is a pretty simple basic design by Kevin Ducon for Fintori. So we have an image over here, then we have some text, then some more text, then we have this register and sign in button, then we have another page which allows to provide phone, email or username and password. And if I don't have any account, I can just click on register and sign in. So basically we are dealing with two pages here. So let's head back to Figma, and at the very first step we can do, we can just print this screen black. So let's just go to here and just keep it a nice black background. And now if I right click it and click on plugins, if I click on manage plugins, currently I don't have any plugins. So let's just have this image from Undraw. Let's click on browse now, and let's search for this kind of image. So we have two person, and the color can be white actually. White images will fit good in the black background. So if I check some of the images, so this kind of looks cool. Yeah, let's see some more images. So this looks cool as well. So basically this is work time, and yeah, I can work with this one. Then let's see a couple of more. We have this Bitcoin P2P, which looks nice as well. So I think I'm gonna work with this one. Let's download SVG for your project, and if I go to the folder, I can just drag this one and have this in my Figma. So we have our file image at the moment. Let's shrink it a bit. Let's keep it over here. So we have the image like this. So yeah, let's go to our so everything is white, so I can just make everything white. So if I open the Chrome and go to Undraw, and if I just click here and select hashtag FFF, so you can see everything turned into white. So I can now download this again. So download SVG for your project, and I'm going to use this one instead of the first one, because the first one was not white. So I'm going to delete this one, and let's shrink this a bit and keep it right here where it belongs, in the middle. Okay, so let's select this one and make it white as well. Maybe, what's the color? I want this color to be here, so let's just grab this and grab the marker and have this color. So right now I have FFF, so the same thing I'm going to do for this as well. And lastly, I will change this as well. So yeah, it doesn't look that good, but okay, I'll work with it. So right now we have the image sorted. Then let's go and see what else we need to fix. We can just have this cool looking dots over here so that it blends kinda and it kinda looks nice. So I copied this one, and let's make this Bitcoin that color. Mm, okay, and let's change this grass as well. Okay, so far it looks kind of better than before. So the next thing we have to do, we have to add some text like enterprise team collaboration, or something that you want to include in your login page. So let's grab that text and let's write anything like get your first Bitcoin. So I can see anything. That's because I have the color I have is black, so I need to make it white, and I need to increase the size of it as well. So let's make 100. No, 100 is too big. 80, 50, 40. So 40 sounds nice, so I'm gonna change it a bit. I'm gonna have this one in the second line and keep everything in the middle so that it blends with the login page. So get your first Bitcoin. Then what we have the text as bold, so I can just make this bold. So here I need to go here and make this bold, so that looks nice. Now I have to add some other text as well. So here you can see we have some random text. So let's grab this one and copy and paste this one, and the size of it will be like 14 maybe. So yeah, and let's let's just see, bring together your files, your tools, projects, and people, including a new mobile and desktop application. I can just write with this Bitcoin app, step into the future and discover all kind of possibilities. All kind of possibilities. Then what else can we write? Invite all your friends. Invite all your friends and family for more amazing discounts. So it kind of looks catchy, but okay, I'll work with it. And let's make it 80% so that the color fades a bit. And if I go here, I can just keep this in 2 line, and let's make it 50. Okay, so we can see this text prominently. You can see this as well. I can just make this 90 as well. Okay, so that it doesn't burn your eyes. So we have the top header and we have this color as well. I can just grab this color from here if I want. So let's take the color. Okay, the color is copied, and let's go here, and instead of FFF, I'll just paste this color, and instead of 50, let's make this 90% or maybe 100%. Okay, so yeah, it's looking nice right now. Then we have these two buttons right here. We have one button for the register, then we have another button for the sign in. So let's go and create two buttons. So I can just create a rectangle over here. Yeah, so this is in the center, I guess. Okay, so we have sign in. So here I can just five 20. Okay, so we have given a little bit of corner over here. Let's work with 15, maybe 10, 12. Okay, so 12 sounds good. And I'm going to copy the same thing again and paste it over here. And I'm going to shrink this now. So let's grab the color of these two. and the color of this one will be, so this is basically FFF. I can just simply do this myself. So let's write FFF. So this looks good, and I'm going to paste this one on top of this one. So yeah, so this one says register and this one says sign in, and let's just write it first. So register, copy and paste, and this one will be sign in. Sign in. Okay, the color of this one is okay. So basically we are done with the first page. We have our image over here, then we have the title, some description, and we have this register and sign in. Okay, this looks good, and let's rename this one, and the rename this is like the main screen. Now we have to create the other one, so let's reset this one, and the other one is this one, where we can just input our phone, email or username, then we can use our password, and we can just sign in if we have don't have any account registered. So we can do this, and then we have sign in. So this is basically the same interface, except we don't have to use this image anymore. And let's just go and work. Let's copy this one and paste it again. Let's copy this one and paste it again. So we have the second page over here. We don't need this image anymore. And what else we need? We need to have this arrow. So we can actually create this arrow with our tools right here, but I'm going to use Font Awesome. So let's go use Font Awesome. Here let's search for the icon, left arrow, and the left arrow icon is this one. So let's just select this one and download SVG. Okay, so let's copy this one and paste it over here. So let's copy this one and paste it here. And the icon color will be, let's check this one as well. The icon color is FFF So I can simply write it down. So the color is FFF I did not want it to be like this. Let's go again. Why do I have the arrow like this? I only need the arrow. So the fill will be black. So the stroke FFF. Okay. So now it looks good. I need to make it small. What is this? So okay. We can have the arrow over here, and let's go to our design. So this is saying let's sign you in, welcome back, you have been missed. So let's just copy this bunch of lines. Let's copy this one. Let's just put it over here, and let's sign you in. Let's sign you in. Okay. Let's sign you in, then welcome back, you have been missed. Okay. So I'm simply going to copy this one and paste it over here and over here. So welcome back, and this one says let's sign you in. Oh no, you've been missed. Sorry, my bad. You have been missed. Okay. So the size, so the size of these two will be small than this one. So let's actually have the column layout so that I can keep this properly. So this is the screen, and let's just have the column. Where's the column layout? Okay, let's have it here. Then let's make the size of it a bit smaller, maybe 30. We'll come back, and this will be 30 as well. So 30, you have been missed. And let's make this a bit smaller, 35. Okay. Okay, so far so good. If I go and look at the design, so the spacing is kind of same between these three. So what I can do, I can just click all of them, and okay, so we have now distributed vertical spacing. And if I go here, you can see these two are not bold, so I can just make these two not bold, regular. So yeah, this looks better. And now here I have two rectangle, one for the phone, email or username, and the other one is for the password. So let's just grab this one. Let's just grab this one and put it over here. I will make it a bit longer. So okay, so I'm gonna copy this one and paste it again so that I can work. I don't need these anymore, so I'm gonna remove all of this. So for the first one, I need to have this color actually. The color is 1E1D25. Okay, let's copy this one and paste it over here, and paste it over here as well. So we have a slightly invisible color, and for the stroke I need to use the stroke as well. So let's grab the stroke color, which is this one, and let's go over here, and in stroke I will just paste this one. So you can see the stroke, and here I will just paste the stroke as well. So now the stroke can be visible, and yeah, this looks better. So here I have to write phone, email or username. So let's grab that text, and phone, email or username, and the color should be white. And it will be right over here in the middle of it. Let's check the color of this one so that I can match it with the one that I'm working right now. So okay, if I go here and paste the color right here, yeah, this looks better right now. So I'm going to copy this one and paste it again, and I'm going to paste it over here, and instead of phone, email or username, I'm going to write password over here. So okay, and I will just keep it right under here so that both text gets aligned. Okay, so this looks good. If I go over here and zoom out a bit, what else we need to do? So we need to use this sign in button, and the other thing that we have to do is don't have an account registered. So let's do that as well. I'm going to copy this one because actually this is the one that I will be needing, and I'm gonna keep this aligned with this one, and I'm going to increase this a bit So okay, and I'm going to copy this register text as well, because this is basically the same. So here I need to write sign in. So okay, this is in the middle right now. And what one more thing that I have to do, I have to use this text over here as well. So I can just copy this one. I'm not using the same font, so it might look a bit awkward. But for the moment, I'll just work with this one. So let's remove all of this and let's write don't have an account, don't have an account, register. And I'm going to make the width. So okay, so I'm gonna put it right over here, and this color, the register will be white. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this color. So let's just mark this text from here to here, and in fill color we can just grab the marker and grab this color. So now we have this. So it kind of looks good right now. And one more thing that I have to do, I have to okay, so one more thing that I have to do is I have to add another for icon over here. I am not sure what this icon is actually, so I'm just gonna use this. Is maybe the Instagram icon if I'm not wrong. I'm not entirely sure. Let's just see. So if I go here, so it kind of looks like the Instagram icon. Let's see whether they have any icon for the password. If I search for password, then let's see what they. So they are showing me this, but this is not matching with this one. So I'm just gonna uh, have this one because this looks more convenient for the password. And if I just download SVG, here I can have the key solid, and I can just copy it and paste it over here. And let's shrink this because I don't want my icon to be this big. Let's shrink this and have it over here. Let's make this a bit smaller. Even now I can't see this. So here you can see the icon color is something similar to this. So let's just grab this color. So okay, we grabbed the color. Now let's change this one. Okay, now it looks better. I need to make this a little bigger maybe. Okay, so now it looks better. So right now we have all the things that we wanted to do. This is already done. And yeah, so basically this is the first page that we have. And if someone clicks on sign in, then they will be linked into this page. Let's change the name of this page as well. So this is basically the login page, login screen. So this is the main screen and this is the login screen. and we have a nice looking Bitcoin image over here. So let's do some prototype. So if I on tap, okay, so on tap of this will take me to this screen, and on tap of this will take me to this screen. So yeah, let's check this one. Let's click on play, and this is loading. So this is basically our main screen, and whenever I tap on this one, this is redirecting me to this one, and whenever I'm tapping on this is redirecting me to this one. So basically we are good to go. But the thing is, the login screen, if I go over here, the main screen is 375 by 812, and the login screen is much smaller than this one. So I'm gonna change this one. I'm gonna copy this one 375 and paste it over here so that it is a bit bigger, and I'm gonna copy this one as well, 812, and paste it over here so that the both of the screen matches, and I need to adjust this a bit. So let's have everything in the center, and let's have everything in the center as well. If this is not in the center, make this center for you guys. So yeah, and let's have everything in kinda in the center right now. So okay, and let's have this button over here. So far it looks good. Let's run this again, and so this is the main screen. We have a nice looking image where two girls are holding Bitcoin logo for no good reason. So this is saying get your first Bitcoin. With this Bitcoin app, step into the future and discover all kind of possibilities. Invite all your friends and family for more amazing discounts. So if I click on register, if I click on sign in, then this is taking me to this page, and let's sign you in. Welcome back, you've been missed. Phone, email or username and password, and don't have an account, register. So for register we have to create another screen. For now we only have two screen at the moment, thanks to our designer, where Kevin Dukon. I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. So he made this amazing uh, login pages. So kudos to that guy. And yeah, let's make this reset, and let's go back to our Figma app. So this is basically what I have done in this tutorial. So yeah, so if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, because I'm making this kind of videos every single day, and if you want to keep updated, you better uh, check my channel every once in a while when you have time, and let me know how much you have enjoyed this video, whether you want more of this or not. And yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in another video. Till then, everyone, take care.